Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send Tron using your Tron Watch Wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to exchange your Bitcoin for Tron, and the website we're going to do that on is Changely, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is Changely right here. It's spelled CHANGELLY.com. And it is a HTTPS website, and it is a secure connection. You could tell by the green padlock right here. What you're gonna have to do is sign up if you have not yet signed up for Changely. So you do that on the top right here, this button. And they're gonna ask for your email address. On our team, we use Tutanota, which looks like this. It's spelled Tutanota. It's a free encrypted mailbox, which our team uses and highly recommends. And that's the email we suggest putting into here. Once you do that, you're gonna continue signing up, and they're gonna ask you for a password. And the way you get the password is from a password manager, which is keypass.info. That's best for Windows users, and for Mac users or in general, we recommend Dashlane. And dashlane.com is also free. And you could store up to 50 passwords for free on here. Once you get the password manager, you would want to get a very strong password and then enter it into the password section here. Go ahead and do that really quick. If you have not, I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, great. So this is what it looks like when you log in. What we're going to do now is exchange Bitcoin for Tron. So on the right here where it says search, I'm going to type in Tron. And there it is. So to choose the correct amount right here, what we're gonna have to do is go to my Exodus really quick. And how I'm going to do this is go to my wallet, then go to Bitcoin here, and I could just click send. In this video, I actually wanna do $100 send and receive videos. So I'm actually gonna send 0.0151 Bitcoin. So I'll go ahead and copy that right now. And I'll move this out the way. And what I'm going to do now on Changely is paste that into here. So there you go. I'm going to exchange $100 worth of Bitcoin and exchange it for almost 4,000 Tron. I'll go ahead and exchange that right now by clicking on that button. And it says here, check the amounts and have a look at the transfer details. It says it's going to take about 5 to 30 minutes. That's fine. The fee is going to be about 20 Tron. Go ahead and click here now. Check the box and review the terms and privacy policy. I know most people skip this, but it's very important that you understand what you're getting involved in when it comes to these cryptocurrency projects and websites. So go ahead and take the time to read this terms of use right here. And at the same time, there's a privacy and data retention policy, which you'll want to read also. And it's important that you do that, so go ahead and do that before you check this box. And then once you're done with that, click Next. And it's saying here, enter the recipient's Tron address, your Tron wallet. So that's actually step number 2 here, which is to send the Tron to the Tron Watch Wallet. And we're gonna have to get the correct address to do this. And we're gonna send a small test transaction first. But in this video, since we're using Changely, I'm gonna go ahead and skip the small test transaction part first, but I'll still show you what that looks like later on in the video. So what I'm gonna do now is go to Tron Watch, which is an app that I downloaded. If you have not yet downloaded the Tron Watch Wallet, go ahead and check out my previous tutorials on how to do that, on how to set up the Tron Watch. And I've already logged in. This is what it looks like. You're going to need your password to do this. You're gonna have to create an account and then log in. Once you're here now, you'll see that I have 2 accounts, which I've set up already. I'll go ahead and click this first one, which says Denny Lovejoy. And this is, again, what the user interface looks like. The button I need to click is Receive right here. And this says your wallet address, which I will then click Copy Address right here. I want to make sure you can see it, so I'll click Copy Address. And that's done. Now what I'm going to do is go back to Changely here and paste that into here. So I hope that makes sense. The next step is to click Next. and it says check all details before processing. All of this looks good right here, so I'll go ahead and click confirm and make payment. And it's confirming right now. So the next step, one of my favorite steps, is to now send the Bitcoin to this address right here. So it's saying to copy this address. So I could click on here and then click copy. And it says send this Bitcoin to the address. So again, I got that number from my Exodus account. What I want to do now is just paste that into here. And I could go ahead and click send inside my Exodus account. And it says you're sending $100. I will say yes, send. So that means I'm going to go back here and see what happens. And it should process on its own. Okay, so it looks like it's awaiting my payment right now. So I'm going to go ahead and be patient for that. It looks like the next part is it's going to start exchanging, and then it's going to send to my wallet. Again, it said it's going to take about 5 to 30 minutes to complete. So I'll continue the video once that's done. Okay, great. So we're back and it looks like the transaction is complete. It says it right here. So step number 3 here is to verify the pending transaction on the Block Explorer, and the Block Explorer we're using for this video is trxplorer.io, and this is the link right here. I'll show you what the website looks like. It's this. It is a HTTPS website and it is a secure connection. And the way that we verify the transaction is by checking this output transaction hash right here. We're going to go ahead and copy that and go back to trxplorer here and search it. And once we do and click enter, you'll see that there's a transaction right here, and you'll see the amount and that it's confirmed. So that's great. And the way that we confirm it is step number 4, which is technically to check Tron Watch here. And as you can see, it says that I received the almost 4,000 Tron. So that's perfect. We'll move on to step number 5 here, which is to send the rest of the Tron to the Tron Watch Wallet. Typically, you want to send a test transaction first. However, we use Changely. For this video, we use Changely instead of Exodus. So I actually skipped the step. For this video, what I did was actually send the full amount instead of sending a test transaction first. And I only did that mostly because I knew that I'm sending it to the right address. And all you have to do for that is check the last 6 digits of the address. However, you can send a test transaction first if it's a larger amount and you want to make sure that you're sending it to the right account. And once you do that, you could whitelist the address, which is part B of step 5. And once you know that it's the correct address, you don't have to send a test transaction anymore. You could just send cryptocurrency to that address. Again, I sent the full amount already. So what I wanted to show you in this video is primarily step number 6 here, which is to send the TRX, which is the Tron, from your Tron Watch Wallet to another Tron address. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we're back here on Tron Watch, and again, I'm sending a test transaction to a second account. So as you can see here, I already have a second account uploaded, and all I had to do that was click this button down here which says create new wallet. So you could put in a name, for example. I'll just put test for now and then put create, and voila, it creates a new account just like that for you. So what I'm going to do for this video is choose this test account right here and then click this receive button, and I'll go ahead and copy and paste that address. What I'm going to do now is go to the first wallet and then click send here, and I'm going to paste that same address that I got, and I could choose the amount. So again, I have 4,000 Tron. If I really want to be specific on how much I want to send for a test transaction, I typically go to coinmarketcap.com/converter, and this is a cryptocurrency converter calculator. And I could choose the USD option here, and then I could choose the Tron option to tell me what the conversion rate is. So let's say I want to send $5. That would technically be 200 Tron. So what I'll do is go back to my Tron Watch Wallet. I could put in 200 here and click send. and it says send to this address. I'll click confirm, and then I'll close that. And before I know it, it'll show up in here, and exactly, it already showed up. So you could see it right here. There's 200 Tron, and it sent, a second ago. When you're sending cryptocurrency from one account, such as the Tron Watch Wallet, to another Tron Watch address or wallet, it typically sends instantly. And that's how cryptocurrencies generally work. And it's getting faster and faster these days, so that's good. Let's move forward. We're going to complete step number 6 here, which is to send the rest of the amount now. And I'll just show you that process one more time. So again, what I'm going to do is click receive here under my second account and copy and paste that address. And I'll go to the first account now and then click send. And I'll paste that address into here by clicking Command V on my MacBook. What I'm going to do for the amount now is look at this number on the top left, which says 3782. I'll go ahead and type that in, 3782, and I could even put 0.852. And I'll try sending that and see what it says. I'll click confirm, and it says transaction successful. So I could close that and look at my second account, and you'll see it right there. Boom. My account now has 3,982 Tron, and that actually completes step number 6 here, which is to send the full amount. So congratulations, you successfully exchanged your cryptocurrency for Tron using Changely. And then I showed you how to send Tron from one account to the second account. In my follow-up videos, I'm going to show you how to receive Tron using the Tron Watch Wallet, and I'll also show you how to back up your wallet, protect it, and even update the wallet. So stay tuned for that. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the Cryptocurrency Investing Blueprint. You can learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code DENNY2018. Go ahead and check out the display address here on the screen, or check out the link below. You could also follow our cryptocurrency market team on Twitter. You could find my handle at Denny Lovejoy, and you could find my crypto mentors, Taizen and LeonFu.com at Hey Taizen and Leon C. Fu. Thanks again for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, send them to me on Twitter. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks again. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.